Yeah, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss the technical term of the word domain name. Then probably in the next video, I will discuss what a hosting means. As I've said earlier, a domain name is the address of your website that people type in the browser URL bar to visit your website. So, in a more proper way, you can say if your website is a house, the house you are staying, then your domain name will be the address. For example, you are staying at Lekki in Lagos and someone want to come to your house and doesn't have the address. There is no way to get to your address, to your house, because such person need the specific address of your house in order to get to your house. So that is exactly what a domain name means. A domain name, as we have called it, is the that physical address you are giving to that your customer, to that your friend or your colleague that is visiting you, is what is called a domain. The domain is the address you are giving to someone to visit your website. So without a domain name, there is no way they can get to your website. Your website is your house. The domain name is the address of your house. So your house is your website. The domain name is the address of your website. So it is symbolized like this: .com, .org, .net, .com.ng, .ng, like that. So if you are to visit a Facebook, you need to type facebook.com. Facebook.com is the website address, but the domain itself is the .com that ends it. So whenever they say, give me your website address, you cannot give someone just .com or .net or .com.ng. You have to give the person the complete website address, which is, in our example, facebook.com. So when the person types in facebook.com, he will have access to that website. A website cannot do without a domain name. So if you are buying a domain name, there are things you will consider before picking a domain name. Number one is, where does your business reside? Number two is, what is your intention in the future? For instance, if you buy .ng, let's say your business name is ABC and you want to buy Nigerian domain, which is .ng, because ng signifies Nigeria. So you buy abc.ng and you start your business because your business reside in Nigeria. You start your business. But along the way, there is an expansion, which means you are going to another country. That .ng only signifies Nigeria, which means it is not global in nature. Anybody that sees that address, abc.ng, they will immediately know that this business is Nigeria. But .com, .net, .org, .biz, .us, even .us is a country domain, which is United States. So like .org, .net, .com, they are general domain. Even though all of them still has one thing or the other, like net stands for network, org organization, communication, all sort of things like that, business. So we still have to look into that in order to look the one that is actually fitting your business. So if you want to look global in nature, then you pick .com. If your business name is ABC and your website name is abc.com, it is not that easy for someone that sees the domain name immediately to say this business is in Nigeria, is in Ghana, is in USA, is in a particular country, because of the domain. I hope you are getting that aspect very well. So if you now pick that .com, the person, until the person gets to your own website before they will not know that, oh, this is in Nigeria, because of the content on your website or the product you are selling, all those things. For instance, you are selling a herbal product, and on the top, on the bottle or the pack that is written made in Nigeria, there is suspicion that this product is probably from Nigeria. But it is not the website address that identify you as Nigeria. We also have .africa, as if you want to target Africa. It's around $16 or something. That's what they sell it. Then it will be important to let you know that a domain is being paid for yearly. Every year you pay for a domain, you renew it. If you buy it December 15, I mean by December 14 next year, you will pay the same amount you paid this year. Probably if the price tag is still the same, you will pay the same amount next year. The same thing goes for hosting. But in the next video, I will be saying I will be dealing with hosting per se, so that we will not mix things up. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate.